Attention Southwest Florida residents and home buyers alike. I'm back, diving straight into this week's weekly housing market update. I know many of you are eager to learn about the latest shifts and trends, so let's get right into it. Our mortgage rates have experienced a slight climb, moving from 6.9% last week to 6.98% this week. These increases always spark interesting discussions among buyers contemplating their next move. Taking a look at property listings, we saw a bit of a dip this week. From last week's 397 new properties hitting the market, we're now at 336. It seems as though homeowners are taking some more time before placing their homes on the market, and properties that have transitioned to the under contract status have seen a decrease from the 363 last week to the 316 this week. While these numbers go up and down, the overall market remains palpable. Also, we have seen a slight decrease in sold properties, down to 256 this week from last week's 270, reflecting a slight cooling in transactions. Yet, keep into perspective the activity from weeks prior. It's evident that deals are still closing at a commendable pace. On the other end, we've seen a small uptick in expired listings, 36 last week and 39 this week. It's a general reminder for sellers to maintain their competitive edge and to remain attuned to the market demands. And in terms of value, our median sales price did see a jump this week, climbing from $376,000 to $396,000. So even with some decreases in other stats, the Southwest Florida housing market continues to hold its allure and monetary value. To wrap it all up, the dynamics of the Southwest Florida housing market this week reflect a market that's ever evolving, brimming with opportunities and challenges for both buyers and sellers. As always, having a keen sense of strategy and market awareness will be paramount. Reach out anytime if you need some assistance navigating these market trends. My name is Braden Milner, your devoted Southwest Florida Realtor with Florida Future Realty. Call or text me at 239-634-8639 or send me an email at contact@bradenmilner.com. You can also check out my website, bradenmilner.com, which is stocked full of resources and informational content. Until our next update, Southwest Florida, stay informed, stay ahead, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality. I'll see you all next time. And follow the channel and stay tuned this week for more videos.